can't breathe. I'm just your Uber driver. I'm just your Uber driver.
Stop! Let go of him!
I just don't want to put my hands on her.
No!
I just don't want to put my hands on her.
Dude, no!
I think
No!
they did.
Ah!
I can't get them out.
You know, long story short, Uber driver. Uber has an obligation to protect their drivers. If an Uber driver is getting attacked by somebody in the car, the legal question is there something that Uber could have done to prevent this person from being on the platform itself? So let's say I'm an Uber driver, I go pick up a guy. What if that guy has been in jail for 20 years for murder, for stabbing a taxi cab driver 20 years ago? Is that the type of person that Uber would let on their platform? I would hope not. And here's the problem that Uber keeps running into these days is they don't background check their drivers or people on the app. They are literally aware that people are violent criminals, have a history of drug and alcohol problems, but they're letting them stay on the app because they're a paying customer. And that's where Uber runs into this sort of liability. I've seen dozens of cases where Uber drivers have been assaulted or assaulted passengers, and Uber could have very easily run a background check to protect their people who are on the platform, their drivers, their customers, from these violent people, predators in some cases, and they do nothing about it because they want more daily users. So if you are in an Uber or a Lyft or any kind of rideshare app, be aware that just because you were the victim of a crime, either as the driver or the passenger, you could be entitled to compensation because Uber is knowingly letting people on their platform. They could have done something to prevent it, but they didn't.